Good evening. Welcome. My name is Catalina, and I am going to be helping you solve literal equations. Today we are going to be starting with A is equal to B plus C divided by D, and we are going to be solving for B. So first thing that I always like to do is I always like to take a different color and highlight or circle the variable that I'm going to be isolating, meaning to say getting by itself. So then I take a look and say, is that particular variable the only term? And in this case, it is not. I have an additional term, and a term is defined by being separated by either an equal sign and an addition or subtraction sign. So everything on one side, which is the A, is one term, then just the B is another term, and then the last one is that C over D term. So as you notice, on the one side of the equal sign, I have two terms, which is the B plus C over D, and B is not the only term on it. So we are going to go ahead and get rid of the other term, the extra term. And the way that we do that is by undoing the order of operations. So we do the opposite of that addition symbol, which in this case is subtraction. So we're subtracting C over D. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And essentially we are creating additive inverses. So positive C over D minus C over D is actually going to cancel and equal 0, which is what we want. And then on the other side, we are still going to have that A value, but now we have this additional term of negative C over D. So we have A minus C over D is equal to what we want to solve for, which is B. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how we solve this particular equation. B is now isolated. We have nothing else that is being done to it. We don't have any kind of coefficient. So we have now solved the problem. Now, typically in mathematics, we usually like to write the variable on the left side. So I'm going to rewrite it just over here for our convenience. So B is equal to A minus C over D. And that is our answer. I hope you have found this helpful, and thank you very much for watching. Good night.